because it only tells times too long.
Okay, so let's say for it's bulky, it's just hot water.
Yeah, you can change that up. You just
Okay.
press the temperature up.
Okay.
Just move it down to the cold because it's cold water up.
Mm-hmm.
Just move it down to the cold down or to the cold down. Because every time you move it, because you don't have any hot water on, just only cold water.
Yeah.
So the only thing you can change is this one up.
Because this one automatic.
Yeah, it's automatic because every time you rotate it, it automatic. The lights operate also.
Okay.
About this key, the key right here, the deep rinse or extra rinse, it doesn't matter because you don't have any on.
Okay.
This only, the only thing you can use is just use when you rotate the arm.
Okay.
Doesn't
But the
matter
rest
for
of
the
it
arm.
is okay.
Yeah,
It's
because,
already set.
So that one is ready for wash.
You can do it right now, but you gotta add the detergent or something.
So just put the detergent here and the softener
Yeah.
here.
But this one is for that powder with liquid. You just put it inside here. If you have kind of detergent.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the parts.
You gotta worry about is this one is the wet color. Don't make it wet because because every time when they're sometimes they kind of open the valve because the water's inside because they put their close up, so that's why they
This one gets wet.
get wet. The only thing the machine can lock is when it's spin now.
Okay.
It's automatic.
So if we wanted to unlock it at the middle of the
In the middle of the machine, tell me when you start.
yeah. So let's say you
Because
wanted
the
to.
reason why they didn't lock the beginning is because you might forget something out. That's why you can open up and you can pour
Okay.
something in. No, that's why. The only thing this machine automatic lock when
When
it's
it's spinning already.
Because that's why a lot of machines got broke down because it's spin, but you just open up because
Because this one it auto locked as well, but then you can actually turn this up and then you can open it.
Oh.
As soon as the machine
Rotate.
rotate,
Yeah.
probably at the second wash, it will lock.
Oh.
And
The
then
second, you mean the second rinse or?
no, every time, let's say for a few minutes, it will during the washing, it locks already.
Oh,
Different brand as well.
But this one you can actually press one and it will turn off the lock. So is there something like that here or nothing?
Oh, we'll just discover it probably.
Oh, this, I think this one. Ah, I think so.
Yeah,
This
it's
is
like play and pause.
And pause.
Yeah, that's it. Okay.
okay.
Merry Christmas and a happy Valentine's.
You too.
Thank you so much.
Okay. When you're working, if something goes wrong, then you can call in transport.
10 years warranty. 1 year. Okay.
Yeah, that's yours.
Yeah, bye. I just take the box, That's fine. Pinano ko ng box.
Thank you.
Yeah, manawi.
Yes, sir po.
Manawi liaso.